Hey guys, today I'm going to cook a whole chicken on my Weber Jumbo Joe. So let's get queuing. I grabbed the biggest chicken I saw. This one is 5.83 pounds. It was $1.49 per pound. So this chicken was $8.69. So let me get it rinsed off and then we'll season it up. Now I'm going to season this inside and out with this Tajin seasoning. This is actually for fruit, I think, but I use it on chicken and fish a lot. Besides salt, this has chili peppers and dehydrated lime juice in it. So, like I said, it's for fruit, but it's pretty good on fish and chicken. It gives it kind of a nice tanginess, kind of a refreshing taste. Can't talk today. Okay, I'm also going to add just a little bit of kosher salt as well, because I like my chicken fairly salty, and that doesn't have all that much salt in it. And this is not spicy. It's not a hot spicy. It's more tangy than it is spicy. I haven't used this little grill too much lately, but all my early cooking videos were done on this little grill. Anyway, the Adrenaline Barbecue Company sent me this charcoal basket last year. Works really nice to hold the charcoal. And this is just a paper towel soaked in vegetable oil that I'm using to light the charcoal here. This is Royal Oak lump charcoal. I like using lump charcoal when I cook chicken because it burns a little bit hotter. And I also like the flavor of it, the taste of it a little bit better. So just kind of get a little bit of this around the edges of it here. And I'll let that get going, and then we'll be back and get the chicken on there. One of the problems with this little grill is sometimes getting it hot enough to get a whole chicken to cook through. So I stuffed as much charcoal as I could in there. That basket's filled to the top. Got the grill on there. I'm starting the chicken out breast down, and I'll probably turn it a few times during the cook. So it looks like everything is good. I also put some foil down in the bottom to catch, the grease. So anyway, let me get the lid on there. We'll get it going. And I installed that thermometer myself. It's kind of hard to cook without a thermometer, but I'm hoping that the temperature will get up to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, but every fire is different, so we'll see. It's been 25 minutes, so I'm going to check on this and turn it. It's running 400 degrees. That's perfect. I like when it gets really hot. I like cooking chicken really hot, so that's good. I'm just going to turn this so the other side is near the fire, like that. And we'll get the lid back on there. It's looking good. My chicken's been in that position for 25 minutes now, so 50 minutes total. My temperature's starting to drop off. It's down to about 340 now, so I'm going to pull the lid off and check it here. It looks like my charcoal is still doing pretty good, so I think what I'm going to do now is just turn the chicken over, and maybe I will turn it this way so that the breast side is against that for now, and get the lid back on there. The temperature is down to 275 degrees now. I probably should have added more charcoal when I turned it, but this grill doesn't have a hinged grate, so I have to actually pull the whole thing off to add charcoal. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and do that. I have a box over here. I'm just going to set this on. And I'm going to go ahead and just start adding some more charcoal here. It's kind of inconvenient not having a hinged grate to add charcoal when you have to take the whole thing off like that, but that's just the way it is. So I think I'll let that get going a little bit more before I put the lid on, and then I'm just going to keep checking it with my quick read thermometer until the internal temperature of the breast is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. It's been 2 hours and 20 minutes, so let's check on this here. 163 degrees. I think that's close enough. It'll keep climbing for a couple of degrees. I'm going to get it off of there. This has been resting here for a few minutes. I'm curious to see how much the temperature climbed. Let's check it. 166, 167. Perfect. It smells pretty dang good. Let's cut into it and see how it looks. Whoa, that wing just fell right off. That's nice and tender. See how the leg looks here. Looks real good, nice and tender looking there. We'll cut into the breast, see how that looks. Not super juicy, but it looks pretty decent. Let's try a bite here. Oh yeah. Really good flavor. I've been cooking on my gas grill a lot just because it's easier, but this definitely has more flavor. I guess we better let Annie try it, see what she thinks. She was laying in the sun the whole time I was out there cooking. Want to try it, Annie? There you go. She's licking the floor clean. That was kind of fun. Like I said, all my early grilling videos were on that little grill. Those are old though. That was like probably 6 years ago when I started doing those, but that was kind of fun. And like I said, that chicken was on there 2 hours and 20 minutes, but every fire's different, every chicken's different, so it's gonna vary. It got nice and hot. That first load of charcoal was running around 400 degrees, but then once I added more charcoal, it only got it to about 300. So it's just hard to get the temperature back up on that second batch of charcoal I added to it. But anyway, it turned out real good. You know, it has really good flavor and it's juicy, so I'm pretty happy with it. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you guys.